So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this olive green yarn. It's baby rainbow, that's like, I think that's the name, baby rainbow, and it's a soft fur yarn, 50 grams, and it is 100% acrylic. Now I'll be using this 3.5mm crochet hook, stitch markers of course, scissors, measuring tape, and safety pins. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be doing is making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, you take your yarn like this. The short part should be like on your left while holding it on your right like this. Take it round your 2 fingers like this, then take your hook, like this, and chain 1. That's how the magic ring is done. And doing it this way, you can see that it is adjustable. Make sure that it is adjustable. You can see how it's getting smaller, and it can also get bigger. That's the whole essence of making a magic ring. Then chain 1 more, that is 2 chains. Right now I'm going to do 12 double crochets into this circle. So to make double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the circle like this, yarn over, put through. You have 3 loops on your hook like this, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over and put through 2. You take your stitch marker to mark this as the first stitch. Then you repeat this 12 times. The next one, which is the second one, the third, the fourth, after the 12th one, you just hold on to this tail here and pull to close the circle. After doing that, take off your stitch marker and make a slip stitch like this. So this is what the first round should be looking like. Then for the second round, you chain 2 like this, yarn over. This does not count as a stitch, don't forget. Yarn over into that same stitch, make 2 double crochets. So in this round, we're making an increase, okay? 1, and the second one, 2 into that same space, okay? So we're making an increase. So we're making times 2 of the number that we did here, which is 2 of this times 2 of this. We did 12 here, times 2 of 12 is 24. So we're supposed to make 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. So yarn over. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet increase, 1, 2, yarn over. In the next, 2 double crochet increase, and you just continue till you get to the end, and I'll tell you what next to do. I've come to the end, and I am going to make a slip stitch into the first one here like this. This is what round 2 should be looking like. For round 3, chain up to 1, 2. Don't forget, this does not count as a stitch. Yarn over. In this first one, how we're making the increase now is we'll make increase here, and the next one we'll just do 1 normal double crochet, and the next we'll make an increase, okay? So yarn over. In this first stitch, make 2 double crochets, 1. Take your stitch marker to mark, yarn over. Into that same stitch, make the second double crochet, 2. In the next stitch, which is this one, yarn over, make 1 double crochet into that stitch like this. In the next, this is where we'll be making our increase now. So make 2 double crochets into the same stitch like this. There's just 1 double crochet, yarn over. This will be making 2 double crochet, increase 1, 2, 1 double crochet, double crochet, increase. That's 2 double crochets, 1, 2. So it's 1, then increase, 1, increase, 1, increase until you get to the end. So just continue. If you want to know if you have an accurate stitch, when you get to this place, you'll be making just 1 double crochet in this last stitch, okay? Because we started with 2 double crochet, we started with like an increase, so we are going to like end without an increase. So I'll see you when I get there. So as you can see, this is 2 double crochets, and the last one here is just 1 double crochet, so it is no increase. I'm going to put the total number of stitch you should have in each round so you don't get confused. So take off your stitch marker and slip stitch like this. So this is round 1, round 2, and round 3. For round 4, chain up to 1, 2. After chaining up 2, you're going to yarn over. You make 2 double crochet, increase into the same stitch. So 1, take your stitch marker to mark, indicate this first stitch, yarn over. In that same stitch, make another double crochet. Now for row 3, we made increase, no increase, increase, no increase, increase, no increase. But for this, we'll make increase, no increase, no increase, increase. Okay, so it's like 2 double crochets here, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets. So 2 double crochet in, so 1 double crochet here, 1 double crochet here, then here 2 double crochets. Do you get? So yarn over, 1 double crochet, yarn over. In the next, 1 double crochet, yarn over. In the third one, you're going to make an increase, which is 2 double crochet in same stitch, 1, 2. Can you see that? So we made an increase here. Here's 1, 1, then an increase as well here. Yarn over, you repeat 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, and in the third one you make your increase. Yarn over and just continue repeating the same thing. So 1, 1, and increase. You repeat the same thing, and when you get to this place, you have 1, 1, then you slip stitch because you're making your increase here. So you have 1, 2, no increase stitch. Do you get? So we make your increase here, then you have 1, 2, no increase stitch. So I'll see you when we get in. I'll tell you how many stitches you should have in this round as well. Now this is my last increase, which is 2 double crochet in same stitch, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, and that is all for this round. Take out your stitch marker and make a slip stitch. For the next round, chain 2, yarn over, you make an increase, all this noise even stop. For the next round, you make an ink. For the next round, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over. In this first same stitch, make 2 double crochet increase, 1 and 2. Now in the next 3 stitches, which is 1, 2, 3, you're supposed to make 1 double crochet in each 3 of them. Then in the 4th one, you make your increase, which is 2 double crochets. Okay, that's the pattern for this one. So yarn over, make 1 double crochet here, 1 in the next, 2 in the next, 3. Then in the 4th one, that's where you make your increase, which is 2 double crochets in same stitch. So 1, yarn over in that same stitch, 2. So yarn over in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, you are going to be making 1 double crochet in each of them. Then make an increase in the 4th one, 1, 2 and 3, and you make an increase in the 4th one, 1, 2. Do you get? So you just continue until you get back to this place. And if you're ending this row, you're going to end it with making 3 double crochets in the last 3. So 1, 2, 3 in the last 3. Do you get? Now I'm at the end and we have 3 more, which is 1, 2, 3, and yeah, we're going to make 1 double crochet in each of them, 1, 2, 3, then make a slip stitch here. Yours might not be as big as this if you get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and to the 5th row, because first of all, we're not using the same hook size, or even if we're using the same hook size and the same yarn, we don't have the same tension. Okay, so don't be bothered if mine is already this big but yours is still small. You don't have to worry. I'm going to tell you the actual measurements that you have to get to before you stop making increases. Okay, so just continue making the increase. In the next round, you make chain up to like this, make your 2 double crochets increase, 1, 2, and you make, since here this one we made 3 double crochets in 3 stitches, this one needs to be like 4 double crochets in 4 stitches, okay, before you make your increase in the 5th stitch. So just continue making that increases like that. So like this. Now we make 1, let me show you what I mean, 2, 3 and 4. Then in the 5th stitch you're going to make your increase, which is 2 double crochets like this. Do you get? So just continue. After doing this round, take your measuring tape and like measure your work, or just continue making your increases until your work, this is the crown of our beanie, continue making your increases until it measures 5.5 inches or 6 inches. Okay, so just continue. If you have a big head, you can make like 6.5 inches or 7 inches. It depends on how big your head is, but the normal size or the average size is either 5.5 inches or 6 inches. Okay, so just continue making the increase round till you get the actual size. But I think for mine, after this round, I will measure it and tell you how many it is, if I am going to stop making an increase or not. So this is what I have now. After getting 5.5 inches long or 6 inches long, you're going to stop making increases and you're going to just start making normal 1 double crochet in each of the round. So chain up to yarn over. In this first one, make 1 double crochet, take your stitch marker and mark. From this round onward, you're going to stop making an increase. So chain up to yarn over. in this same stitch, make 1 double crochet, take a stitch marker, in the next 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, and just continue making 1 double crochets in each of the stitches. Now I'm done with that row, and the next row I'm just going to keep repeating this row, which is making 1 double crochet in each of the round. That is what is going to make it start covering. Do you get? So you're going to make it till you get the length that you want. Just continue making it, continue like that. 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch till you get the row that you need and the length, or just till you get the length that you need for like your slouch beanie. Okay, so I'll see you when I get my desired length for mine, and I'll tell you how many inches I did. And yeah, I'll tell you how many inches I did. Now this is what my slouch beanie is looking like. This is how long it is. I think I made a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I made a total of 30 rows, and it measures 15 inches long. Yeah, this is what I have. Then it is now time for our safety pins. So take your pin, and the amount you want your cap to have, you just take it out. So I want mine to have like just 6 pins. I don't want the pins to be a lot. So, and just pin it in the places that you want it to be. Just go ahead and position them where you want them to be. Okay, I'll show you what I did and how it turned out. This is what it is looking like. I did not really like how it turned out. I decided to play with my stitch markers, and this is what I got. If you watched this video to this point, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.